Welcome to my channel Turkey Celebrities World, the entertainment corner for you. Here you get all the latest information and gossips about Turkish celebrities. Today I am going to talk about the ranking of the Turkish actresses in the list of most beautiful women in the world 2020. Now let's start with Neslihan Atagul. You know Neslihan Atagul is one of the most popular and highest paid actors of Turkey. He is recently doing the series Safrin Kiss along with Engin Aykurik. He is playing the role of Nare. Liking the chemistry between Engin Ekürük and Neslihan Atagul. He was also paired in the series Kara Sevda, which was also a big hit. She got 89 position in the list of most beautiful women in the world. Next is Elçin Sangu. Elçin Sangu is also considered one of the most popular actor in Turkey. He has 7.7 million followers on her Instagram account. He recently did a series, Good Day Bad Day. The series go off air after some episode because of the poor rating of the show. Elchin Sangu started her career in 2011, also appeared in a very hit series Char Pisma along with Kivansh Tatilu. Played the role of Zainab in this series. Fans soon will see her on the digital platform. Sangu got 83 position in the list of most beautiful women in the world. The next one is Dimit Özdemir. Dimit Özdemir in a very short span of time got huge success. Dimit Özdemir started her career in 2014 as a background dancer. More than 11 million followers on her Instagram account. 2019, Dimit Özdemir was seen in the series Early Bird along with Can Yaman. The series was a big hit and gave a huge fame to Dimit Özdemir. Dimit Özdemir is recently doing the series My Home My Destiny. People are liking her incredible performance in this series. Dimit Özdemir got 75 position in the list of most beautiful women in the world. Next one is Fariha Evcan. She is also the mother of Korhan Ozceivit, also ranked in the list of the most beautiful women in the world. She did many hit Turkey series. She is considered one of the most popular and highest paid actors of Turkey. She is the wife of a very famous Turkish actor, Burak Özçivit. Fariha Evcan and Burak Özçivit also did many Turkey series together. Fariha Evcan got the 45 position in the list of most beautiful women in the world. She has more than 10 million followers on her Instagram. Next one is Tuba Büyüküstün. As you know, Tuba Büyüküstün is one of the most popular and highest paid actors of Turkey. She is the only female actor in Turkey who got nominated in Emmy Awards. Tuba Büyüküstün appeared in many hit Turkey series and movies. She appeared in many hit Turkey series like Kara Para Aşk, Cesur ve Güzel. She is not only famous because of her incredible performance in these series, she is also considered one of the most beautiful women in Turkey. Tuba Büyüküstün is a phenomenal actor, considered one of the A-listed actors of Turkey. Tuba Büyüküstün started her career in 2003 with the series Sultan Makami. She appeared in the last 4 episodes of this series. After this series, she appeared in many hit Turkey series and became a huge star of Turkey. Tuba Büyüküstün got 23 position in the list of most beautiful women in the world. She has more than 4.7 million followers on her Instagram. Next one is Hande Erçel. Hande Erçel is also considered one of the most popular and highest paid actors of Turkey. She is recently doing the series Sen Çal Kapımı along with Karim Bursin. Series is doing great on the TRP chart and people are liking the chemistry between the Karim Bursin and Hande Erçel. Hande Erçel is the only female actress in Turkey who has more than 16 million followers on her Instagram. Hande Erçel got huge success in a very short period of time. Hande Erçel got number 1 position in the list of most beautiful women in the world. This is such a big achievement.